Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar. We have Jake here. Always inspiring to have Jake. Very Jakey in his way to have songs, perform them. We can clearly hear his DNA here in the songs, and this one is called Defenseless. Another great song coming up from Jake. Now let's go into this tutorial. We have a capo on fifth. That's what we're going to use to match up with the sound, have the best scenario possible with easy chords. So let's go into the chords. Speaking about it, let's start with A minor 7. A minor 7 goes open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Then we have the E minor add 9. Very dramatic chord in my ears. Open E, second A, fourth D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord is D. That will be open D, second G, third B, and second E. And the final chord is the C major 7. And that will be third A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so we started this with a melody that could be a little tricky, challenging. We're gonna go into the strumming later on, so you can have both tools here to handle this song. But anyway, chord by chord, starting with A minor 7, the melody goes like this. Okay, so you hold the chord pretty much as it is, and you play open A, second D, open G, and then comes this part where you play the open B, you pick that one, and then you hammer on to get the first B, and you pull off to get back to the open B. So you just pick the first open B out of these 3 notes, and you let that index finger do the rest of the work there. So, okay, and once you play that, you go back to play the open G, second D, and then open G again. And then you play open A, second D, open G, and open B. Okay, so. Okay, there we have the A minor 7 chord. Then we go into the E minor add 9 version of it. And this one is perhaps the most trickiest one out of these 4 chords. It goes like this. So you're going to play open E string in the bass, then second A, then open D, and then you have again the same technique here where you play on the 4th D string, and then you hammer on to get the 5th D string, and you pull off to get back to the 4th D string. So you have to have that on there, and you just add on the little pinky in front of the ring finger like this. So once you play that, you go play in the open D string, then second A, and then open D again, and then you have the open E string, second A, open D, and 4th D. Okay, so it requires some practice there, but yes, you can do it, of course. If I can, you can. So let's go into the D chord area and play that melody. It goes like this. So you're going to play the open D string together with 3rd B. Then a short pause, and then comes another 2 times on the 3rd fret B string. Then 1st B, and then 2 times on the open B, then second G, and then open G. That's the D part, and then finally we have the C major part. It goes like this. And that is to play 3rd fret A string together with open B, and then second D, a short pause, and then comes the second G, and then 3rd B, open B, then again 3rd B, open B, and then open high E, and 3rd high E. And that's the ending notes. So there you have all the 4 chords with the melody. I'm going to take you through this slowly so you understand what's going on. Let's go. Right, so that's the melody. In some way you can handle it. I need some practice as well for that, but anyway, let's move on with the strumming. Now you have to hold the full chords as they are. Of course, they come in the same order, so A minor, E minor, D, and C major, and one string around goes like this with A minor. So you're gonna play down, up, a short little pause, and then up, down, up. So down, up, down, up, down, up. That's one string around. You're gonna play 2 string rounds per chord, so A minor 2, E minor 2, D2, C2, like this. Guess what, guys? Melody, strumming, it goes in the same way through the entire song. We love that scenario. It's just perfect. Jake, thank you so much for your song, Defenseless. And for all you being out there, guys, and watching this, thank you as well. Thank you for support. Give me a like if you like this one, and be back here for next upload. Till then, play tuned.